Hey there, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook, which is an easy built-in function you can do. You simply press Control, Shift, and the Windows function right there, and that'll bring up the option to take a screenshot or to take a video, screen record. And then there are different options along the bottom. You can take, if you click this one, you're going to capture the whole screen that's in front of you. This one here, you can just outline whatever you want to take a screenshot of. On here, you can take a screenshot of a certain window or tab. So those are your options. So I'm going to use this one and just do the outline of Marquis Brownlee. Take that. And then once you've got the right area that you're ready to screenshot, you just click right in the middle, capture. Easy as that. So you can either just click on it right there to see it. You can insert it into a document, whatever you want to do, or you can click on the circle on the bottom left, go to your files. You can either click on the icon or search for files. And then right up top, if you click recent, you'll see the screenshot will be saved right there. So you can click on that. You've got the screenshot here. You can share it. You can edit it. There's all sorts of things you can do once you've got the screenshot. Some Chromebooks act as tablets now, and if you want to take a screenshot on a tablet, you just press the power and the volume down button simultaneously, kind of like you do on a cell phone, like a Google Pixel phone, for example. So that's how you do it on a tablet-style Chromebook. Some of the Chromebooks come with styluses now, so if you want to take a screenshot there, it's really easy. You just tap the screen with your stylus, and then you can find on there an option to capture the whole screen as a screenshot, or you can outline a certain region and take a screenshot of that. Some of the screenshot capture tools you can get in the Chrome Web Store are Fireshot, Nimbus, Lightshot, and Blipshot. So those are some recommendations we have. Hope this video was helpful for you. We showed you how to take screenshots on a Chromebook, also on the tablet version if you're using a stylus, and then also mention some extensions you can use from the Chrome Web Store for taking screenshots too. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.